Today, I want to do a couple of updates. Obviously, one of those updates will be what Mr. Mufara is doing and what he's doing with the educational platform. I'm Mike Ellis, by the way. But I want to start with something I discussed, I don't know, maybe a month ago or so. And it's a case that was going through the Texas Supreme Court. And it has to do with school bond fraud. And right now there's about $5.1 trillion of school bond fraud in Texas. And this is a national issue. It really is. It really is from coast to coast, north to south. It's everywhere in this country, the United States of America. And basically what the schools are doing, they issue bonds to fund the school districts, but they never pay off the bonds. And when a bond becomes mature, all they do is roll it over into other bonds, i.e. they never pay off the bonds, i.e. it's a Ponzi scheme. It's a circular Ponzi scheme. And the way they do this is they increase the levy rate of your property, whether it's commercial, whether it's your own home. And when they do that, they can increase the property tax that they charge you. Now, what's going to happen with this is eventually they run out of other people's money, i.e. you can't pay the property taxes anymore. The bond, they continue to issue bonds, they continue to increase the taxes, you just can't pay them. What happens? You lose your home. It's a really, really dire situation, and it's something that doesn't need to exist. And it's very, very easy to fix. Now, it went through the Texas Supreme Court, and they decided they're not going to hear it, period. They don't want to hear anything about it. What that's telling you is that the United States citizen no longer has any protection of the law. We no longer have a constitution. Now, this is going to the Supreme Court of the United States of America. If the Supreme Court does the same thing and states, no, we won't hear this case, it's over. We no longer have a constitution. We no longer have a rule of law. Why? The people that have brought this case, they have all the proof, and I'm not going to get into the weeds with it. I'll leave a link down below where you can go and look at this. All the proof is there. It's a done deal case. If it's heard by the courts, and the Texas Supreme Court would not hear it, but if the Supreme Court of the United States takes it back to the lower court and tells them they have to hear it, it's a done deal. We've won the case. And it's very, very simple to fix this. Basically, all you have to do is you have to increase the sales tax, take it up to 15%, depending on where you're at. It could be 3%, could be more than that, but you take the sales tax up to 15%, and then you eliminate property taxes. You eliminate this fraud that's been put on the American people, and your house is yours and no one can take it away from you. That's the way it's always supposed to be. So this is a really, really important case that's going to the Supreme Court. If the Supreme Court does not hear it, we no longer have a constitution. It's really as simple as that. If they hear it and send it back to the lower court, and the lower courts have to hear it, these individuals will win the case. And you will no longer have a property tax. You will no longer have the government putting a lease on your property that you can never pay off. You will own your castle and no one can take it away from you. It's a really, really important case. I think everybody should kind of understand what's going there. I'll put a link down below where you can go and learn more about it. I did not get into the weeds today. It's a very, very complicated case. But the bottom line is we've been paying property taxes for eons now, and it's totally illegal. It's a total Ponzi scheme. It is a total bond fraud. And it goes well beyond just Texas. It goes throughout the whole country. And then it could also hit the Federal Reserve and the bonds that we issue to pay our debt. It's a big deal. I think this ties right into what Mr. Mufara is doing. And again, I'm not going to get into the weeds today. But Mr. Mufara is doing something revolutionary that I believe in time will set people free. And it's really, really important to understand, and I've talked about this a little bit before, understand that when he comes out and he starts putting educational things into the educational platform, It's really important to go through that. Most people, when they think about online marketing, when they think about developing an online income, they don't know how to do it. The majority of people really do not know how to do it. What Mr. Mufara is going to be doing is getting you prepared for the big, bold, beautiful new business by putting educational modules up that you can go through and understand what it takes to be successful online. This is so critical to where we are, where we're going, to the big, bold, beautiful new business that's going to be launched in phase 2. It'll give you the ability to do the things necessary, to do the things you need to do to actually be successful and develop an online income. So when I think about what's happening in government, it is just all screwed up. But when I think about what Mr. Mufara is doing, honest, clean, and ethical, using AI in the right way, using the good AI, not the bad AI that wants to get rid of humanity, I think we're in a place that we literally, each and every one of us, are going to have a way forward to actually live those dreams that are in the back of your mind. Maybe you've never revealed them to anybody because they're so far out there, but because of what Mr. Mufara is doing, giving us the knowledge and the ability to do the things we need to do to make those dreams a reality. I think we're in a really, really good place. If you look in the back of Victory with Ash, the last note that Mr. Mufara added, this is a really, really big month. And I want you to keep your eyes open. And as those educational modules come in to Victory with Ash, go through them. Go through them. I believe they'll give you the ability and the confidence to move forward, develop a business online, and develop an online business. So I just wanted to come out very, very quickly, talk about those two things. We're in a place right now, and Mr. Mufara has told us that, if you read the last note. It's extraordinary, guys. We are in a place that we've all been waiting to be, and Mr. Mufara is ready to start introducing us to things that perhaps you've never even thought about, that again will give you a way forward to have that freedom, that liberty, and to have a financial base that will guarantee that freedom, regardless of what the government does, regardless of what the school districts do, regardless of what the Supreme Court does, to be in a position to have freedom. That's where we all want to be. So that's it for today, guys. Just a quick video. Here's where we're at. I wanted to talk about those two things briefly. Both very, very important, and it gives you an understanding of where we're headed, not only with the government. This is a worldwide crisis. Right now we have over $300 trillion in debt worldwide. This type of thing is going on worldwide. Just keep your eyes open. And because of what Mr. Mufara is doing, I really do believe you will have a way forward to guarantee that freedom if you do the things you need to do. And Mr. Mufara is going to tell you what those things are. So that's it for today. Today is the 8th, August 8th, 9th, 2026 year of our Lord. A really good place to be, a really good time in history. And believe me, you are in the right place. Take care, and we'll chat with you shortly. And absolutely, we'll see you at the top.